how to remove your favorite movies from your profile on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here, and now click these 3 points and then click edit profile, then scroll down until you find here interests, and here we'll find it favorite movies. All you need to do is just click on it, remove it, and that's it. Just click this icon here, save icon, and save it again. Now just go back. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.